What is VoIP, and what are the VoIP advantages for businesses? Voice over Internet Protocol. VoIP is an internet-based phone service that transmits voice and video conversations via the internet instead of traditional phone wires. A voice over IP, VoIP, telephone system may be the best solution for your company. Installing a VoIP phone system is likely worth considering to boost productivity. Advantages of VoIP for your business. Cost savings. VoIP usually treats your long-distance calls as local calls. VoIP providers usually charge lower international call rates compared to traditional telecoms companies. Portability and mobility. Both your mobile users and your desk-based users can connect to your telephone system without the need for a complex technical setup. Scalability. Cloud technology means you can expand phone lines and users much more conveniently than with traditional systems. To make sure you have the right solution for your needs, we at OneSource, Houston, are more than happy to help you get started. For more info and latest updates, visit our website.